In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted file from your HostGator account with ease. Whether it's an accidental deletion or just a simple mistake, understanding how to recover files from your hosting provider can be a lifesaver. So let's walk through this process together and get your files back. First things first, to gain access to the cPanel, you'll need to log into your HostGator account. This is the hub where you manage all aspects of your hosting environment, from installing apps to managing databases. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look around this dashboard for the File Manager icon, as that's where we're headed next. The File Manager is essentially a file system interface for your web hosting, similar to Windows Explorer or Max Finder, allowing you to manage your web files. When you open File Manager, you're stepping into the heart of your web hosting file structure. This may look intimidating at first, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Our next stop is to look for a folder named either trash or .trash. This folder functions similarly to your computer's recycling bin or trash can. If it's available, scanning through it should be your preliminary step when trying to recover deleted files, as it can save you a lot of hassle. Once you've navigated to the trash folder, the task is to locate the particular file you wish to restore. You might see quite a few files in there, so patience is key. Once you've pinpointed the deleted file, hover over it and you'll want to right-click on the file. A menu should pop up offering various options, including Restore. By selecting this, you'll be moving the file back to its original location, just like you would restore a file from your computer's trash bin. It's as simple as that. However, it's possible you may not find a trash folder at all. In some hosting setups, this folder might not exist. In such cases, you'll need to dive into the backups you hopefully have set up for your site. Backups are crucial to website management and act as a safety net for times like these. To restore from a backup, you'll need to locate the most recent one that contains the file in question and restore it from there. The backup restoration will overwrite the current state, so ensure you're restoring the right file version, a key step to avoid losing newer data you might require. With that, you've learned how to smoothly recover a deleted file from your HostGator account. Whether it's directly from the trash or through a backup, being equipped with this knowledge can save you from future stress and seamlessly keep your site running optimally. Thank you for watching, and remember to consistently back up your data to avoid any data loss in the future.